Methuselah. Methuselah was the oldest person on record in human history, dying at the age of 969. The Bible does not say much about Methuselah, but what it does reveal is interesting. Methuselah is the oldest person mentioned in the Holy Bible. He lived to be 969 years old, which is listed in Genesis chapter 5 verses 27. In Genesis 5, Methuselah is listed as a descendant of Adam. Though Methuselah lived 693 years after Adam, it is likely they knew each other, since Adam lived for another 237 years after Methuselah was born. Methuselah was the son of Enoch. Enoch was 65 when Methuselah was born. Enoch was commended for his faithfulness to God. According to Genesis chapter 5, the Holy Bible says, Enoch walked faithfully with God. Then he was no more, because God took him away. Methuselah's son Lamech was the father of Noah. Methuselah was 369 years old when Noah was born, which is listed in Genesis chapter 5 verses 25 to 29. Methuselah died in the year of the flood when Noah was 600 years old. And that is scripted in Genesis chapter 9 verses 28 and 29. In the New Testament, there are a couple of verses where Methuselah's name is mentioned. In Luke chapter 3 verses 37, it mentions the son of Methuselah, the son of Enoch, the son of Jared, the son of Mahalalel, the son of Kenan. And in the Old Testament, 1 Chronicles chapter 1 verses 1 to 4, it is listed Adam, Seth, Enos, Kenan, Mahalalel, Jared, Enoch, Methuselah, Lamech, Noah. In the fourth verses, the sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. The meaning of Methuselah's name is believed to be man of the dart or man of the javelin. Methuselah was the oldest person on record in human history, and Methuselah died in the same year of the flood. These are some recorded informations about Methuselah's character from the Holy Bible. Amen.